What's cooking, laugh lovers? You've just found my YouTube channel, the internet's top spot for construction bloopers that'll have you rolling. We've dug through social media to unearth clips so funny you'll be laughing harder than a drill bit in a butter factory. From worksite wipeouts to tools with a mind of their own, we're serving up daily hilarity. Subscribe now, comment your own wild tales, and let's keep the giggles flowing. Yo, my laugh legends! How epic were those construction bloopers? Did my crew of hard hat comedians have you laughing so hard you nearly sent your phone flying like a rogue crane? Hang tight! The clips coming up are so side-splitting they'll make a jackhammer jealous of their comedic timing. We're talking workers inventing new ways to trip and machinery staging their own slapstick show. Leave now, and you'll be kicking yourself like a worker who forgot his hard hat. Ha! Smash subscribe, drop your funniest comments, and let's keep this comedy site rockin'. And that's a wrap, folks. Hope you had a giggle explosion. Thanks for watching. See ya at 7 p.m. every day. Peace out.